How to download and install Distant Horizons for Minecraft. So first, just simply click on the link that I will put in the description below. So the link should lead you right here. So once you're here, you could just pick the game version and mod loader that you use. So let's say I use Forge. I just click Forge right here to show all of the Forge files. And I currently use 1.20.2, so I'm just going to click on this one, click on the three dots on the right side, then click on download file and wait for it to download. So once it is downloaded, you simply need to go to this directory, then click on mods. For the mods folder, what you will need to do is just simply place the mod right there. So now the mod is right there. What you need to do now is you just simply need to open up Minecraft. Now once you open up Minecraft, you need to do is just go to your settings, click on options, and here you will see this like square option right here just besides the FOV. Click on that, and now you could now just simply change the render distance right here up to your choice. Say 256. Click on done and wait for it to load, and as you can see all the way right there. So you could also play with it more, just go back and just go try out new or try out the settings right here. You could also change quality preset if you want, but for me this is good, and that's how I basically downloaded and installed Distant Horizons in Minecraft.